toilets acting slow to refill and having low water levels after flushing is a super common plumbing headache that's actually pretty easy to fix. So, here's the lowdown. First thing, shut off the water supply valve behind your toilet to avoid a mess. Next, pop off the top of the fill valve inside the tank. Sometimes it just gets gunked up with minerals or debris messing with the water flow. Give it a good clean, or if it looks worn out, swapping it for a new fill valve is usually the move. Check the float too, because if it's stuck low or broken, it won't signal the tank to fill back up properly. Don't forget to inspect the flapper at the bottom of the tank. If it's not sealing right, water leaks can cause slow refills or low water levels. Make sure all parts are seated correctly before turning the water back on. After you're done, flush a few times to see if the water level resets quicker and stays at the right height. If things still seem off, it might be a good idea to call in a pro to make sure there's no hidden plumbing issue. One of the biggest mistakes people make with toilet problems like slow refill or low water level is ignoring mineral buildup inside the fill valve, which just makes everything clog up and slow down. Clean that valve regularly or replace it if needed. Another common issue is a faulty float or fill valve that doesn't trigger properly. Fixing this means adjusting or swapping parts so the tank fills up quickly and efficiently. And lastly, a worn-out flapper often leads to constant water leaking out, which keeps refilling the tank slowly. Replacing the flapper usually stops this and saves you water bills too. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find reliable local contractors for stuff like plumbing fixes without the hassle. Contractors can also get connected with new customers there, making it easier to grow their business and keep busy with projects.